All right. Back with another one. So here we go. This is the latest installment series, right, of all things Google. So this video is going to show you how you can send an email, right, into another language. And when you receive emails, translate that email, if it's in another language, into a language of your choosing. All right. So basically, this breaks in half like a little twig all communication barriers. There should be zero excuse to have no communication barriers with anybody via this method, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can do this method via Google Email and Google Translate. It's really, really cool. And I'm going to actually show you what it looks like on the parent's end as well. I just got an email. Let me just delete that. All right. So the first thing you need to do, okay, is you need to have the Google Translate extension up here. You need to have that downloaded, right? So if you don't have it, just Google Translate extension and add it to your extension bars up here, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is hit compose, and you're just going to write an email, okay? So I'm going to write it to my private email just to show you what it looks like on the parent end. I'm just going to write just a simple email that says, hello. And I'm going to say, your son and daughter are doing great in my class, okay? So that's just a basic email. All right. Now you got your email set up. Now you want to translate this into a different language so that the receiver on the other end can read it in the language that you translated it into. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up here to where the Google Translate extension is. You're going to left click. Then you're going to hit translate this page. Bam. Okay. So now once you have this bar up here, this is where you can translate it to any language you want. So if you click the little drop down box right here, you're going to have all these languages to choose from. Okay. I'm going to choose Spanish. Once I do this, magic happens. Right? Your email is translated into another language, in this case, Spanish, right? And if you notice over here, all this stuff is too, because what it does is it translates the entire page, right? Don't worry, you can put it back. I'll show you how in a minute. The main thing is getting your email to translate, okay? So now that you have your email translated, the only thing you have to do now is hit send right down here, right? So now that email is sent, okay? So now I'm going to pretend that I'm the parent. So now this is my other email. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, I should be getting an email with the translated version. 3, 2, 1. There it is. All right. And as you notice, it's in Spanish. Okay. So this email was in English, sent by a teacher, translated into Spanish. Okay. And it works both ways. So let's go back here to your Google Drive, right? Now, if you want to get your whole entire web page back to English, all you have to do is hit show original and just X that out of there. Now, let's say you receive an email that is in another language, okay? So I'm just going to copy this. Now I'm going to compose an email to myself, any CSD account. I'm just going to write back the same message, okay? Hit send. Now, when I get the email back here, right? So say now they're communicating back to you. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Where's the email? Come on, Google, you're being slow. There it is. Right? So now I have an email that's in Spanish, and you want to translate this email into English. Same concept. You go up to your Google Translate, you hit translate this page, right? And then you change this drop down to English, and then now it's in English, okay? Very simple to do, okay? Zero communication barriers via email. Made it very simple, okay? If you want to know more about this, email me or Melissa. As always, have a great day.